Today, I'll show you how to build Salesforce report bucket fields, a powerful feature that lets you categorize your data without having to create additional custom fields. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to refine your reporting skills, this tutorial will provide you with a clear and straightforward approach. First, let's dive into your report. Start by finding the field you'd like to categorize. You can locate this in the columns list or directly in the report preview. This step is crucial because the field you select will be the basis for your bucket categories. For example, let's say you have a column of sales data that you want to segment into different revenue ranges. Selecting the right field sets the foundation for meaningful insights. Once you've identified the field, it's time to add a bucket column. Look for the drop-down arrow next to the field name. This is usually on the right side of the column header. Click on this arrow, and you'll see an option labeled Bucket This Column. Selecting this will allow you to start defining your categories, or buckets, as Salesforce calls them. This feature is particularly useful because it enables you to group data points in a way that makes sense for your analysis without altering the underlying data structure. Now, let's move on to defining your buckets. This is where you decide how to categorize the data within your chosen field. A window will appear, prompting you to create bucket names and specify the criteria for each bucket. For instance, if you're categorizing sales amounts, you might create buckets named low, medium, and high, and assign ranges like 0 to 1,000, 1,000 and 1 to 5,000, and so on. This flexibility allows you to tailor the report to your specific analytical needs. Remember, the effectiveness of your buckets depends on how well they align with the insights you need to draw from your data. After setting up your buckets, make sure to review them for accuracy. Double-check that each data point falls into the correct bucket based on the criteria you've established. This review step is crucial to ensure your report reflects the true distribution of your data. It's a good idea to test your buckets by viewing a sample of the data to see if it meets your expectations. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your data is categorized, you'll want to save your work. Click the Save button, typically found at the top of your report interface. Saving ensures that all your hard work is preserved and that you can easily share your report with colleagues or revisit it later for further analysis. Remember, saved reports can be a valuable resource for ongoing data review and decision-making. And there you have it, a complete guide to building Salesforce report bucket fields. This feature can significantly enhance your reporting capabilities by offering a more nuanced view of your data. With practice, you'll find that using bucket fields becomes an intuitive part of your Salesforce toolkit, helping you to gain deeper insights and drive better business decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.